I took my mother's old slippers, which she truly loved, and transformed them into something new. These slippers were made from natural leather patches, and I found them for just a penny. I selected the largest pieces in a single color scheme. After carefully ripping apart the old slippers, I divided them into parts. Discarding the insoles since I no longer needed them. I used the soles as patterns to create new designs. The top of the slipper. I also made patterns to create the insole. I used 4 leather pieces, 2 for the right foot and 2 for the left. To ensure comfort, I added 2 foam material blanks in the center, which are typically used for wrapping machinery during sales. Before connecting the insole layers, I used punches to make holes, which is necessary for sewing the layers of leather together by hand. I also created seam holes on the blanks for the top of the slippers. The top will be double layered. So I duplicated the patterns on denim fabric for added texture. For decoration, I made a beautiful seam down the center of the top of the slipper. I cut small leather strips to create a frame around the edges of the product. stitching the pieces together. First, I connected these using polymer glue. Then marked and attached the top part of the slippers to the sole. This can be done using a chipping pin, stitching all layers at once while adding edging from genuine leather. After cutting any excess leather tips from the edging with scissors, I connected the insole to the sole using polymer glue. About a day later, the slippers were ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to not miss any new and interesting ideas or masterclasses.